Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Woodle and I live in Clovis, California. I currently work at Clovis Unified in an autism classroom for 9 through 12. I have been teaching for six, this is my seventh year. Six of those were in New York, where I taught students with multiple disabilities in what we called a life skills program, but the life skills program we have here is a bit different. So I am familiar with students on the spectrum in varying ranges of capabilities, with varying strengths and varying weaknesses. Currently, I have six students in my classroom, all in the I would say moderate to severe cognitive range, and all very behavioral. I have definitely a pretty significant behavioral group on my hands this year. So, what I'm hoping to experience with this class is a little bit more on the assessment piece. And really, I don't have too many expectations for this course, and I really try to do that kind of on purpose because I realize that if I it's been my experience in life that when I have a certain um, goal set out for what I hope to achieve from a certain experience, that I kind of hyper focus myself on answering certain questions instead of just opening myself to the experience of it. And so I don't really have much expectations for this course, and I don't mean to say that in a negative sense, just in that I'm open to whatever experiences that I do get from this course, whether it be a new experience with my peers or something that I can bring to my classroom from one of my classmates. Maybe they have a good idea or a good suggestion, or they offer me a new perspective. So, whatever it is, whether it be assessment related or entirely different, I'm just excited for the opportunity to collaborate with people, other educators from uh, both in California, and I know that we have some from out of state also. So I'm just really excited for the course, for whatever it happens to bring to me. Um, the other question that we have here is something that I like to do on a rainy day. So, since I'm from New York, I don't like rainy days. I know that in the Central Valley here in California, everyone seems to love rainy days because there aren't so many, but I'm still all rained out. I was born and raised in New York and I'm sick of them. So, something I used to like to do on a rainy day, which is pretty much still the same, which is just stay inside and pretend it's not raining. I love sunny days, I love warm days, and I love the weather here in California because it's minimal rain. And that's all. So, yeah, thank you for your time.